Mike G with MDG Collections on hand. Today, ladies and gentlemen, just to clear up some things that people still seem to be confused on. You are not only using the 7% rule to increase your credit, and that solely only being the thing that you're doing. Yes, everyone knows and should know about paying your bills on time, and one of the biggest things that I'm seeing is people saying, I've always paid everything off in full and not left a balance. Well, that is all great if you have done that from the start. That is not the purpose of my videos. The video is to explain if your credit has been destroyed or if your credit is hurt and you want to get your credit scores to skyrocket fast, you use the 7% rule. And then after you get your credit scores up, as you will see, they will increase extremely fast. Then you can go back to paying everything off in full and leaving a zero balance. It is not to say that that does not work. If you started off and you never messed up your credit, then rightfully so. You will pay everything off in full and your credit will just have increased over the years because you never made any mistakes. This 7% rule is for people that have messed up their credit. If you want to extremely skyrocket your credit quickly, this will do it with the 7% rule. And you can go back to those videos that I've done. That is the sole purpose of those videos. It is a technique, it's a method. It is not the main and primary method to improving your credit. It is just a hidden technique that some people know about and most people do not know about, because you just go with the norm of paying everything off in zero and not leaving a balance when you are trying to get your credit back up fast. It takes forever like that. It takes a lot longer. Whereas if you do what I'm trying to tell you to do, you will see your scores will increase rapidly. So hopefully that cleared that up with people that try to leave comments saying that it is not the proper thing to do. If you do look at the comments, you will see the majority does rule, and a lot of people are doing this 7% rule, and it is working for them flawlessly, and a lot of people already knew about it. The moral of the story is try your best to tweak different things with your credit. You use your credit card to get your scores to skyrocket. The basic just gives you basic increases. If you do something unique, you will uniquely skyrocket your scores and you will be thanking me later. So as you know, you are pretty much doing these things to your credit so you can get the house, get the new car, apply for loans, whatever you're looking to apply for. And in a lot of cases, if you're younger, sometimes they're looking at your credit before you can even get a brand new job. So if you are looking to rent your own first new apartment, they're looking at your credit. They are looking at your credit when you go to apply for furniture. If you want brand new furniture for your brand new apartment or your house, they're looking at your credit. If you're going to try to get a brand new house, a brand new car, anything that will need major proof that they can trust you, they're gonna look at your credit. And I'm telling you guys, the main thing that you have to realize is once you mess up your credit, 7 years is a long time. It takes 7 years before you can pretty much get those blemishes to go away. And in the meantime, what you can do is use the 7% rule from 7 down to 1% to get it to be improved fast. If you want to just keep paying off in zero, be my guest. All right, watch how long it takes you if you pay everything off in full. That is what I'm trying to explain to people. Some people, whether or not they're just stubborn or they just feel like they know everything, don't seem to get it. I'm trying to explain to you ways that you improve your credit once it's destroyed, not what you do from the hatch when you come out of an egg. You just do the right thing from the start, no problem. Yeah, you can pay everything off in full. This is for people that are hurt when your credit has been damaged, when it has been destroyed. This is the technique to get your credit improved quickly. Hopefully that's clear at this point. And that is going to do it for this upload. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be a wrap.